welcome to another video. I haven't been posting any makeup reviews or makeup looks for a long time. So for today's video, I am gonna review this new line from NYX, which is Bare With Me. They have this whole line for summer, which gives you that very healthy glowing skin. So they have this tinted skin veil, and I also have their hydrating jelly primer. So as for the base, I am gonna review this and let you know how this product works. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. I purchased the tinted skin veil and their primer, the hydrating jelly primer, and it has 40 grams. The consistency is quite jelly, if you can see here. And when you poke it, it's like a gelatin. It says here that the primer extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight feel, skin feels refreshed, and blends seamlessly. So we're gonna try this out with the foundation together, and then I will let you know how this performs on my skin. I have a combination skin. I have oily on my T-zone and some dry parts, dry patches on the side of my nose, side of my lips. So I'm really struggling putting on makeup without the foundation settling into my dry patches. If you want to have skin-like foundation that doesn't look cakey and just looks like second skin, and this is the effect of this foundation claims to have. I have already moisturized my skin, so let's go on with the primer. So as I said, it's like a gelatin, and I'm just gonna use my fingers for this and rub it all over my face, especially the areas where I have very enlarged pores. Right away I can feel that my skin is getting like that cooling effect, being hydrated. It does sting a little bit. I don't know if that's just for my skin. It's like putting on like aloe vera gel. Okay, so moving on with the tinted skin veil. For this foundation, I will use brush on this side and sponge on this side. Oh, by the way, they have 12 shades, and I am the number 6, which is golden camel. So I'm just gonna put on the back of my hand and then use flat foundation brush, flat top. So I have put the foundation using the brush on this side of my face. While I was applying the foundation feels sticky at the first time. I thought the consistency would be more runny. It's thicker than what I thought it would be, but it does feel light. At first I saw some brush strokes, but eventually if you continue brushing on the foundation, the strokes will eventually blend onto the skin. And I can say that this foundation feels like second skin. I don't feel like I have that heavy foundation. It does cover some of my discoloration. Having a lightweight foundation that can cover up discoloration on my face is like a perfect combination for me. So now I will try to apply the foundation using a beauty sponge on this side of my face. Okay, now I have applied the foundation using the beauty blender, and I would personally prefer using sponge because it's easier to blend for me in this kind of foundation rather than using a foundation brush. I can say that the coverage is buildable. I like the finish, how it looks on my skin. I think I nailed the color matching, so I'll just finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So now I have the rest of my makeup. I really like how it looks on my skin. I think this will be my next go-to foundation, especially this summer, since I don't want anything heavy on my skin. This is the perfect product or perfect foundation that you can use that feels so light and almost like skin-like. I love how you can also build the coverage but does not feel so heavy and thick like other full coverage foundation. As for the finish, it's not totally dewy or glowy finish, and it's not matte as well, but somewhere in between. I put on a highlighter just for extra glow. I found a great technique if you want to have like a glowy and dewy look. Just take a liquid highlighter, put a little bit at the back of my hand, and then saturate it with your beauty blender, and then just put it all over. It will definitely give you that glowy look without looking so highlighted. I did not set my face with powder. I just set my under eye. This is how the product looks on my skin along with the rest of my makeup. I normally go for the Benefit, this happy, what's it? The Hello Happy Soft Blur foundation for my everyday wear, but since I'm running out, this is a good substitute. This one has more runny consistency, and here in Norway I haven't seen any Benefit store. I only know that there's one in the airport, but of course I can't go to the airport just to buy a foundation, so this one is a good alternative. It's good for, you know, when you just want to cover up your face or have a foundation before you go out, just to, you know, go to the groceries or something, or do something really quick. So this is more like an everyday wear. So the question is, if I run out of this, would I repurchase? My answer is yes, I would. And I would also want to try their other products in the line of NYX Bare with me. They also have spray thing. It's a prep and set spray, I guess. And they also have a bunch of color sticks that you can use as blush. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope this give you information about the product, and I hope to see you guys soon on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!